Payag ako. Hi. Huh? Sino to? Follow back. I didn't know you through time. Hindi naman yan eh. Hindi naman yan yung sinasabi ko. Hala, I'm so sorry. Hindi kita maintindihan. I speak English, but anything country, no. And I know you. Hi, John Ray. Hi. Yung iba dito, hindi kasi sila siguro nakakaintindi ng yes. Ano kayo? Demanding to, no? Siyempre. Hi, Happy. Hi, Rai. Rai. Yeah, syempre naman, maging demand din tayo dito. Hindi pwedeng kayo lagi na pagbibigyan. Hala, inaway yung ano. Hindi ka mag-aaway ng nanonood. Hi, Rai, where are you from? I'm Philippines. Yes, I'm Philippines. I'm proud to be Philippines. Dapat mag-end live na ako. Anything, kunyari na lang tayo dito para magsalita ng ibang country kasi hindi tayo marunong. Hindi tayo marunong guys mag-country na yan. I wish to be with you. Maybe, if you want to. Yes, I know you. Hi, Kyle. Hi, Money. Hi. Thank you for coming my live. And thank you for watching me. Thank you very much. Tiger. Hi. Hello. So, hi, Manson. Hi, JG. Welcome, this my. Ang kulit mo. Mukhang uulan na naman kayo. Sobrang lamig. No. I know you. Hi, kaso hindi ko siya alam yung ID niya. So, masyadong haba. I know. Need ko mag 100 keeps. Ipakota niyo ako, guys. I know you. Upmer. What? I don't understand. I know you. Tell me why. Hi, lover boy. Tell you. I understand anything. Ay! Oh my God! Thank you so much! Thank you for gift. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hala!